Students, welcome to Biogenesis. This is a new chapter, glycolysis for you. Many of my Facebook friends or students have requested, sir, please teach about glycolysis and the easy steps, easy process to remember all the chemical reactions. So I have chosen glycolysis and we will move further. Glycolysis, Krebs cycle, electron transport system, like that. So glycolysis, I have divided into 4 parts for your easy remembrance. In this video, first part, we will discuss the fundamentals of glycolysis. Okay, the fundamentals of glycolysis. Okay, so we start. So see, all states of chemical reaction, as you know, all states of chemical reaction occurs inside a cell or a living body is called as metabolism. It's called as metabolism. It's called as metabolism. So metabolism is of 2 types. You know that. What is that? Anabolism and catabolism. What is that? Anabolism and catabolism. So what is anabolism? When you synthesize something like your photosynthesis, gluconeogenesis, these all are what? Anabolic process. We synthesize something, fatty acid biosynthesis, protein synthesis, these all are anabolic process. And what is catabolic process? Breakdown of these things are called catabolic process. Okay. So in anabolic process, we require energy. What do we call? We require energy. And in catabolic process, energy liberates out. Energy liberates out. Okay. So the next, we will know that what glycolysis is. Is glycolysis a catabolic process or anabolic process? See, the name indicates what is that? Glycolysis. It is a fusion of 2 words. What that fusion? One another is glyco and another is lysis. So glyco indicates what? Glucose. And lysis indicates what? Breakdown. So glycolysis is what? Breakdown of glucose. Glycolysis is what? Breakdown of glucose. So it indicates glycolysis is a catabolic process. Glycolysis is a catabolic process. So catabolic process means it must be energy producing process. It must be an energy producing process. So what will happen? So you know, students, your mitochondria is powerhouse of cell. Your mitochondria is powerhouse of cell. Most of the catabolic reactions, most of the respirations are occurs inside where? Mitochondria. But in case of glycolysis, it is different. Why? Because you know the membrane of mitochondria is selective permeable. The membrane of mitochondria is selective permeable. It does not allow what? Glucose to entry or glucose to exit. So what happens? The glucose converts to what? Pyruvic acid. Glucose converted to pyruvic acid. That pyruvic acid can enter into mitochondria and pyruvic acid can exit from mitochondria. Okay? Pyruvic acid can enter into mitochondria or exit from mitochondria. We will study in Krebs cycle why pyruvic acid enters. Why it needs that all carbohydrate, lipid and protein to enter into mitochondria. We will study betterly in Krebs cycle. So you got on that? So if glucose cannot enter into mitochondria, then glycolysis occurs where? Glycolysis occurs inside cytoplasm. Inside cytoplasm. The another cause is there are several eukaryotic cells also, like in human. Your skin cell, your renal medulla cell, your brain cell, they have no mitochondria. Some of the brain cells have no mitochondria. So in there, glycolysis is the chief energy producing process. In these cells, glycolysis is the chief energy producing process. So clear about glycolysis? Then we will know the definition of glycolysis. Now we will know the definition of glycolysis. Students, I have explained you the process by which glucose converts to what? Pyruvic acid. Is called as glycolysis. But this is not the exact definition because glucose does not directly convert into pyruvic acid but by steps of 10 reactions. And each step we require what? Enzyme. In each step we require what? Enzyme. So we can say the definition of glycolysis, you conclude on that. The problem is the solution is glucose converts to pyruvic acid. Not directly, but with 10 steps. So each step enzyme is required. So the definition is the enzymatic steps by which glucose converts to pyruvic acid is called as what? Glycolysis. It's called as what? Glycolysis. Then we will know the steps of glycolysis. Glycolysis have 10 steps, but divided into 3 phases. So the 3 phases are, one is energy producing phase, the second one is splitting phase, third one is the first step is energy consuming phase, and the third step is energy producing phase. In the next video, we will study, before we will go to your page and the chemical reactions, we have to know the techniques of remembering the enzymes and to remember what glycolysis. The techniques to remember the enzymes. Okay, in the next video we will discuss. Thank you.